Carbohydrates, structure and function. Introduction. Carbohydrates are important organic molecules made mainly of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. They are found in many foods and are essential for living organisms because they provide energy and also perform important structural and biological functions. Basic structure. Carbohydrates are built from simple sugar units called monosaccharides. These molecules contain several hydroxyl groups and either an aldehyde or ketone functional group. In solution, many monosaccharides form ring-shaped structures, which are important for their biological properties. Classification. Carbohydrates can be classified into monosaccharides, oligosaccharides, and polysaccharides. Monosaccharides contain a single sugar unit. Oligosaccharides contain a small number of sugar units, and polysaccharides contain long chains of sugar units joined together. Monosaccharides, glucose, fructose, and galactose are common monosaccharides. Glucose is especially important because cells can break it down to release energy. Fructose is naturally present in fruits, while galactose is a component of the milk sugar lactose. Disaccharides and oligosaccharides. When two monosaccharides join through a glycosidic bond, they form a disaccharide. Examples include sucrose, lactose, and maltose. Larger combinations of a few sugar units form oligosaccharides and can participate in cell recognition and communication. Polysaccharides. Polysaccharides are long chains of monosaccharides. Starch stores energy in plants, while glycogen stores energy mainly in animals. Cellulose provides strength to plant cell walls, and chitin provides structural support in fungi and the outer coverings of many arthropods. Energy function. One of the major functions of carbohydrates is supplying energy. Glucose can be broken down through cellular metabolic pathways to produce energy that cells use for movement, growth, transport, synthesis, and other activities. Energy storage. Carbohydrates can also serve as energy reserves. Plants store excess glucose mainly as starch, whereas animals store glucose in the form of glycogen, particularly in the liver and muscles. These stored carbohydrates can be mobilized when energy is required. Structural function. Some carbohydrates provide strength and support. Cellulose forms strong fibers in plant cell walls, while chitin contributes to the structure of fungal cell walls and arthropod exoskeletons. Thus, carbohydrate structure determines whether a molecule is suited for storage or physical support. Cell recognition and communication. Carbohydrates attached to proteins and lipids on cell surfaces help cells recognize and interact with one another. These carbohydrate-containing molecules are involved in processes such as immune recognition, cell adhesion, and communication between cells. Importance in daily life. Carbohydrates are present in foods such as rice, wheat, bread, potatoes, fruits, vegetables, and milk products. A balanced intake provides the body with an important source of energy while also supplying dietary fiber from certain carbohydrate-rich foods. Conclusion. Carbohydrates are much more than simple sources of energy. Their diverse structures allow them to perform roles in energy production, energy storage, structural support, cell recognition, and communication. Understanding the relationship between carbohydrate structure and function helps us appreciate their importance in biology and everyday life. Subscribe and follow BioEnigma X, Javesh, Exploring Life, Unraveling Biology, together.